रेडी हो?
हाँ।
चल चल भागो।
नहीं 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 भाई मेरे को नहीं करना।
You know, we all have that moment in our life where we feel like this moment should not get over, and this is exactly how I felt up in the air. Like, I didn't wanted this moment to end at all. I just wanted to be up there and enjoy the view as much as I can. Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are traveling to Beer from Dharamkot for paragliding. This is the first time I'm going for paragliding and I am super excited because I really love adventure sports. So Beer Billing paragliding is Asia's highest and world's second highest paragliding spot, and that makes me more excited. And we are staying at the Bunker Hostel in Dharamkot, and that's the reason they only have booked our paragliding slot in Beer, because they have one more Bunker Hostel in Beer also, and that's where we are going right now, to the Bunker Hostel. And this is the Bunker Hostel in Beer. Finally, now we are on our way to Billing. So before you leave for Billing, you'll have to sign a form. Billing is a takeoff point for paragliding, and it stands at a height of 8,500 feet above sea level. We have reached top at the Billing. Since it's the month of December, this is how it looks like. As soon as you reach up with your pilot, they gear you up, and this is the process of gearing up with all the safety. Also make sure that you always carry a jacket with you, because since Billing is at height, you never know, you might feel cold at any time. And also do not carry any bags with you. It is always better if you just carry your mobile phone and a wallet. So finally, after 2-3 attempts of trying to fly, here I go.
रेडी हो?
हाँ।
चल चल भागो। कंफर्टेबल हो?
हाँ। This view obviously was breathtaking. Like literally I had goosebumps looking at this view.
आप लोग दिन में कितने बार करते हो?
3-4 बार
बस
You can see that I was so lost in the view. Like I literally wanted to see everything. Oh, the only thing that I was scared of was that I didn't wanted to lose my GoPro. You don't feel like you are part of this world when you are up. You just feel very different. So the cost of paragliding is totally worth an experience. So the cost starts from 1500 for 10 to 15 minutes session, and for 15 to 30 minutes it's 2000. So depending on the time it keeps on increasing. Also they charge extra 500 for your GoPro camera, and I had my own GoPro, so that's where I saved. So when I was up in the air, that's when I felt that why do people say that Beer Billings paragliding is one of the safest paragliding. Like it was so comfortable. The best experience, I think. This is the one experience that everyone needs to have once in their lifetime.
Okay. Stand up.
Oh,
Okay.
मैं सोचू कहाँ लेके आप मेरे को लैंडिंग पॉइंट के पास फिर से यहाँ से घूम के जाएंगे हम. थैंक यू अनिल.
So we were very hungry after the paragliding session since we didn't eat anything before flying. And then we went to Ava's Cafe. Ava's Cafe was the most suggested or recommended place for us. You can enjoy your authentic South Indian food over here with the view. And obviously we had to end our day with a beautiful sunset. Being in Beer, we could not miss that at all. So we went to Tibet Valley, and you have already seen Tibet Valley in one of my videos from Beer. So this is how our a day in Beer looked like. I think it was pretty much good. So this was it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye.